All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to 5 Minutes of Math. This is Mr. Lunsford, and thank you one more time for joining us tonight. I appreciate that. We're looking at the homework for the evening of February 14th, 2018, and we're looking at problems 7, 8, and 9. Okay, again, 7, 8, and 9. We're looking at angles without degrees, so we're just visually observing the way they are arranged. We're looking at their relationships to each other, and we're figuring out whether the angles are supplementary, complementary, or neither. And I've said before that math isn't all about numbers. Numbers are part of math, but that's not what math is about. Math is about the relationships between the items that you find all around you in your world. All right. And if you want to get specific about those relationships, yeah, you might have to use a number now and then. But there are a lot of branches of math that use a lot of symbols and letters and all kinds of stuff that sometimes you have numbers and sometimes you don't. So are these angles supplementary, complementary, or neither? All right. So we have angle 1 and angle 2. And angle 1 is outlined here by the green. Angle 2 is outlined by that green, and you'll see that angle 1 and angle 2 add up to a straight line. That's 180 degrees. So since angle 1 and angle 2 add up to 180 degrees, those are supplementary angles. All right, supplementary. It's that simple. We're just looking at them visually, inspecting them, and figuring out supplementary, complementary, or neither. All right, going on to the next one. Are these angles supplementary, complementary, or neither? Now, here's angle 1, here's angle 2, and you'll see that I've had 90 degrees there the entire time. How do I know that they add up to 90 degrees? Well, there's a hint. Do you see that right angle indicator? And I'll turn that on and off. That's the right angle indicator. In that little box, whenever you see two angles add up to that box, that's a right angle. So yeah, it's complementary. All right, so let's go on to the last question. The last question here, we have angle 1 and angle 2. Here's angle 1 in the blue, and here's angle 2 also in the blue. What do they add up to? No one knows. Angle 1 and angle 2 each add up to that blue line that you see right there. We know that, or we're pretty sure that angle 1 and angle 2 are greater than 90 degrees. We don't know that for sure because they might not be drawn to scale, but here's 90 degrees. This is what a right angle would look like sitting on that picture of those two graphs. Here's angle 2 by itself. So we can make a pretty good guess that those two angles are not 90 degrees. If they are drawn to scale, that means that angle 2 is obtuse and angle 1 is acute. So we know that they're not 90 degrees. They're greater than 90 degrees. If we're looking at angle 1 and angle 2 to see whether they add up to 180, they don't, because both of them together do not add up to a straight line, and they never will. So this one is neither. This one is neither. All right, that's pretty much it. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. And again, this was a short one. Thank you for joining me, and I will talk to you again in 24 hours. Have a good one.